Whoa, what up? What's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, what we have today, you see the white box. Across the top, you got the Air 270. Hold up, let me turn it the other way so you can see it a little better. Here you have the Air 270 going across the top. On the side, you have the same thing, but it's smaller. Going on this other side, you have the Nike logo, no Air. Back on this other side, you have that Air 270 overlapping over the side of the box. So what we have today is the Nike Women's Air Max 270 RG. The colorway is rust, pink, metallic red, bronze, and sail. But enough of the box, man. Let's get into the kicks, man. Here it is. The Women's Air Max 270 RG. Nah, keeping it real with y'all, man. I think it's a dope shoe, man. You know what I'm saying? This color is not for me. Of course not, because it's a women's shoe. You know what I'm saying? But I think all in all, man, it's a dope little shoe. I could see it on, you know, some of these women maybe rocking them without the socks or whatever. Anyway, look on the back. You see you have the Air. You have the 270. You probably can't see it that good, but it's right above the air bubble. Got your pull tab on the back. On the outside, you got your Air 270. I mean, it's dope, man. You know, looking under the bottom, you already see what's there. You got your mixtures of, what is it, the rusty pink. I mean, it's a dope shoe, man. On the front, on the toe, you see you got the Max etched in there. You got the Air 270 with the Nike swoosh check. Medial side, gold check, 270 towards the front. On the back, told you about the Air. Here's your pull tab. On this side of the pull tab, you have the check. Other side, you have 270, which is dope. Like I say, man, this is a dope shoe, man, to me. On the inside of the shoe, you got the Air Max. Can't really see it, but it is what it is. Now, looking at the other shoe, man, everything is identical on both of these kicks. There's no difference between the two, so y'all already know what's up, man. But I'll show you around it anyway, man. It ain't no thing. You know what I'm saying? But there's the back. Pretty dope. And like I say, I think it's a high shoe. I'm feeling it. I haven't seen it on the streets yet or anything, but I don't think people really feel it. I don't think a lot of people around my way really feeling the 270s, man. I'm not sure, but it is what it is, man. Go ahead and lace your lady with something, man. I heard they're real comfy. So go ahead and take a shot with them, man. And they're not expensive either, man. What these retail for? Maybe $140, I believe. I don't remember, man. But anyway, that was my look at the Women's Air Max 270 RG. I think it's a dope shoe. I'm feeling it. I know it's comfy. You know what I mean? So if you're in the market for some kicks, ladies, you know, go ahead and check these out, man. You know what I'm saying? You can't lose with them. It's a nice little touch. You know, the colors coordinate well with the kicks, man, and it is what it is, man. You know what I mean? So, like I say, man, look, y'all go ahead, follow us on Instagram at PetLazab504. Subscribe to this channel, man. Turn your notifications on. What you waiting on, man? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Stop playing around, man. You know what I mean? Go ahead and subscribe, man. Follow us on Instagram. Go ahead and check out the website, man. And I'ma holler back.